Hey, intermediate algebra students. So this Khan Academy is called Quadratics by taking square roots. And not too difficult, just a few steps. So I'm going to take this equation right here. We have to find the smaller and the greater value, or the x-intercepts, or the roots. So I'm going to take that equation. I'm just going to copy that equation down right here. Now, first step. I need to get rid of this negative 4. So I will add 4 to both sides. When I do that, I end up with x plus 3 quantity squared equals 4. Now, how do you get rid of a square? You need to take the square root of it. So next step is I'm going to take the square root of both sides. And when I do that, the square and the square root will cancel each other. So I have x plus 3. Over here, you might be wondering, why is there this crazy plus or minus sign in front of the 2? Because most of you right now are probably going, well, the square root of 4 is 2. And then I would ask you why, and you'd say because 2 times 2 is 4. And I would ask, well, in that case, what is negative 2 times negative 2? And you'd say, oh, well, that equals 4 as well. So the square root of 4 is both the positive value of 2 and the negative value of 2. Okay? Next step is we've got to get rid of this plus 3. How do you cancel out a positive 3? You subtract 3 from both sides. Now, when we do this, we need to subtract 3 from the positive value of 2, and we need to subtract 3 from the negative value of 2. Well, negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1, and negative 3 and negative 2 makes negative 5. So our two answers up here, in order, the lesser value is negative 5, the greater value is negative 1. That's how you do it. Now, you should pay attention to the next one. This one worked out nice and neatly into nice, easy numbers. They don't all do this. So here's the next one that I've got for you. We've got this right here. We're going to take that equation. We're going to write that equation down again right here. First step, I'm going to add 11 to both sides. So that's where this came from. Next step, I need to get rid of the squared sign. So I will take the square root of both sides. Square root of 11 is not a nice, easy number. Okay. Type it into your decimal, and you're going to round that answer to the 2 decimal places. So we're going to take this, we're going to round it to 2 decimal places. So it's x plus 7 equals plus or minus 3.32 if you round this off correctly. Then we're going to subtract 7 from both sides, and we're going to subtract 7 from the positive 3.32 and the negative 3.32. And the first one, these two, would total up to be a negative 3.68, and these two would total up to be a negative 10.32, which is our two answers right up here. The lesser one on the top, that one on the bottom. Thanks, guys.